Hi everyone, welcome back to Learning Khmer. Today I'll teach you how to talk about family member in Khmer so you can introduce your families to others and understand when Cambodians talk about theirs. Khmer words for family members: immediate family, mẹ đa, mak, mother, bày đa,ឪពុក, father, បងប្រុស older brother, បងស្រី older sister, ប្អូនប្រុស younger brother, ប្អូនស្រី younger sister, កូន child, កូនប្រុស son, កូនស្រី daughter. Extended family: ជីដូន grandmother, ជីតា grandfather, មីង aunt, ពូ uncle, ចៅ grandchild. Talking about your family. Introducing your family. ខ្ញុំមានបងប្អូន3នាក់ I have 3 siblings. ខ្ញុំមានបងស្រីម្នាក់និងប្អូនប្រុសមួយនាក់ I have 1 older sisters and 1 younger brother. ប៉ាម៉ាក់របស់ខ្ញុំមានអាយុ numbers ឆ្នាំ My parents are number years old. កូនខ្ញុំអាយុ5ឆ្នាំ My child is 5 years old. Asking about someone's family. តើអ្នកមានបងប្អូនប៉ុន្មាននាក់ How many siblings do you have? តើប៉ាម៉ាក់អ្នកមានអាយុប៉ុន្មាន How old are your parents? តើអ្នកមានកូនទេ Do you have children? Common phrases about family. ខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់គ្រួសារខ្ញុំ I love my family. គ្រួសារខ្ញុំធំ My family is big. ខ្ញុំជាសមាជិកគ្រួសារក្នុងចំណោម number អ្នក I am a member of a family of number people. Example conversation. តើអ្នកមានបងប្អូនប៉ុន្មាននាក់ How many siblings do you have? ខ្ញុំមានបងប្រុសម្នាក់ប្អូនស្រី2នាក់ I have 1 older brothers and 2 younger sisters. តើអ្នករស់នៅជាមួយក្រុមគ្រួសារអ្នកឬទេ Do you live with your family? បាទចាស់ខ្ញុំរស់នៅជាមួយប៉ាម៉ាក់របស់ខ្ញុំ Yes, I live with my parents. Who is the most important person in your family? Comment below and introduce them in Khmer. Follow me for more Khmer lesson. Next time I'll teach you how to talk about your daily routine in Khmer so you can describe your day like a native speaker.